Okay, what's going on, traders? It's February 1st. It's the first of the month. Gonna be a good month. We're in number 2. So if you didn't get to accomplish what you wanted to accomplish in the January, this is your time. So here we are back at it again, trading some stocks. As you can see, I did take some trades pre-market. I took one trade. No, actually, I took two trades. I took two trades. One was a small loss for about $50, and then the next was a $1,300 gain. So we're up $1,392.88 this beautiful morning. We did have some news this morning. We did have the unemployment claims come out. So now we're going to wait till market open and see what happens. Again, I'm going to be trading small right now just so I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing. Because I'm up almost, I'd really say $1,400. I'm, about $7 and some change from, getting there. But yeah, we're gonna take some small trades. I mean, should I just make it $400 real quick? Let's see. If we break this low, we might get a small push back up. So let's see. We get a push down. Oh, that was. Let's see here. That was that little move we were looking for, just to make it an even 14 here for you guys. So let's see. That would have been that move there. It looks like we're still pushing up. We don't have any reason. Let's see. Grab a couple pips here for you guys. There we go. Boom. Now we're up $1,400 that quickly. So now we're an even 1404. So it looks like we might actually retest these lows that we have here at the bottom. Let's take a look here. So what I'm taking a look at is we had some resistance up here at the top. It had some resistance, and now we're looking to kind of maybe fill in this range down here. If we can take a look at this range, we might get down here again. We might not. That could have been the, let's take a look at the hourly candle. So if we take a look at the hourly candle, we had that wick. We are kind of consolidating at this level. We've been super bearish lately. Now, we could end up being super bearish the whole day. We might keep moving down, only because I feel like we should be bullish. We should have a push up, but I feel like that's going to be tomorrow when NFP comes into play. So what the market will do the day before NFP, for those of y'all that don't know what NFP is, they're called non-farm payrolls. It happens the first Friday of every month, so you only get 12 of them. And it's a day where there's a ton of volatility. Like, you can literally make thousands of dollars within 1 to 2 seconds. Or you can lose $1,000 to $2,000 in a couple seconds if you're not careful. So if you don't know what you're doing, definitely stay out of NFP. NFP comes out tomorrow at 7:30. It's going to be a huge day. And then when market opens back in an hour, just to let you know, tomorrow's going to be a huge day. So we're not trying to go too crazy today, because tomorrow I feel like is the day that we need to use to make some more money. So being up 1,400, my account right now is at $52,004.18. I'm trying to get it to $53,000 so I can go ahead and pass another challenge to get another 50K account. Currently, I'm funded with over $150,000 in different accounts, but I like Topstep the best. I feel like, yeah, we up $1,400. Nate, we up $1,400 right now. I took a trade. If you're taking a look at the stream, I I did lose a little bit yesterday, about 1,200 bucks. No big deal. We were still up, so I took a couple trades. I only had one losing trade, which was again for that $50, but we're up $1,400. That trade was super quick this morning. It was, if we're taking a look here at the, we're taking a look at the charts. Basically what I did was I rode this wave down here, and then that's when I took out my position when we broke this low. So from here to here, it took me about 3 to 4 minutes. I would say about 2 to 3 minutes to make about 1,400 bucks. So you come here every day, Nate. We can maybe play some Tarkov, but we can play the game of making some money. So we're up. But what happens is in about 30 minutes we get market open. So I'll sit here and, like, you know, shout out some trade ideas or something like that if you guys potentially want to take some trades. But right now we are consolidating, so we don't have a direction. We're kind of in the middle, and we're gonna wait and be patient. So that's cool. I just be talking a lot, honestly, mostly by myself. So it's all good. Last stream I was super motivational. You kind of missed it, so if not, go watch that video. But yeah, man, we're trying to get it. I'm trying to break the cycle, trying to get out the rat race, man. So this is the only way I know how to do it. Used to have to work like a full 2 weeks, 80 hours a week, to even come close to what I'm making now. So blessings on blessings. Do you go full David Goggins? Yeah, I think I actually have, honestly. I full David Goggins, a little bit of like Andrew Tate. Just, I don't know, man. It's actually always been who. Actually, I feel like that's always who I've been. It's just, you know, as you get older and stuff, right? You. I don't know. I feel like it's always been in my mind. So just. See, no, I actually love women. I actually love women more than men. But I feel like he does. I could see where people could get that idea where he would hate women, but I feel like he just preaches just trying to be the best man possible, and that's who I am at the end. I just want to be the best person I can be, and I feel like he actually preaches that. But you know, hey, listen, if that's what that's honestly, man, I asked my girl what's her dream, you know, like actually what's her dream, right? So she goes, I just want to start a family and raise the kids, right? Like, women intrinsically want to do that. I may be sounding like Tate right now, but women intrinsically want to do that, you know? I had an ex. I asked her what her shit was. Same thing. I want to start a family, be a mother, take care of the kids. I feel like that's intrinsically who women are, and I feel like men, dude, I'm serious, bro. I feel like men, we just want to go out there and like do shit. We want to like hunt and go out and like be out in the world and be with other guys and make money and be successful. That's how I feel. Now, obviously there's outliers, but I know you, Nate, you a hard worker. You always be streaming. You got the streams up. I'm going to need your help to set up that OBS stream or whatever you use, but bro, you hustle, man. I know you hustle. We all hustle to provide for ourselves, a family. You know, it's just our duty as men. So don't get me started on this. See, you already got me started on this. So we're not going to go that route. So we're not going to go that route. That's for sure. So how does this stream look, by the way? I've been trying to fix my stream where I can show where I'm actually trading and then where I look on the charts, and also try to put my P&L in there as well. OBS better than Streamlabs. Yeah, I use OBS, but I think what I'm talking about is I need the templates or overlays or whatever, like to make it look cool and stuff. I don't really know how to do that. But every time I look at your stream, you look at your profile, I like the aesthetic of it, and it looks really nice. So I definitely would need to get with you with that. So just trying to get my followers up, man. Yeah, it's yeah. So I gotta try and figure that out. So, but I guess I might work on it this weekend. I've been honestly working on editing a lot of videos, trying to get just trying to get more exposure, man. Honestly, I've been kind of ghost on social media. I don't know if you use social media a lot. Honestly, I don't really post a lot. So I've been trying to get out my comfort zone and post something that I'm passionate about, because I hate making an update about myself being like, I'm in Florida, or like it's to me it's kind of corny, I guess. I've never been that like selfie, you know what I'm saying? But I can record myself doing something that I like. That to me doesn't bother me, because I personally hate doing this streaming stuff. But I feel like, hey, if I can spread my knowledge to one person that wants to listen, hey, I've done my job. So only reason why I'm here in the mornings. So. Oh, he made it. Well, you didn't have to say that. You could have said, "Hey, I know somebody." No, I'm playing. Uh, I'm gonna send you $5. Make me a millionaire. Listen, if you have $50, Nate, if you have $50, we can start an account for you, just like I have that I'm trading right now. You'll get access to a $50,000 combine. You have to make $3,000 to pass the combine, and then from there you can take payouts from your money. Right? They're going to reset you. You'll start back at 50K. Anything over 53,000, you get to keep 50% of it. After 30 days of winning, you can keep 100% of your winnings. So if you have $50, we can work your way up to a millionaire, right? We're gonna start small. We're gonna maybe make you $1,000, $2,000 a month, right? But hey, that's better than nothing. So if you're already up at this time, so that's what I do, man. I have a real account. This is my combine. I have another real account that I trade on the side as well. It's the same. It's through Topstep. It's another 50,000. And I have another Apex account. It's 100,000. So right now I'm currently funded $150,000. That's kind of what I manage. So once I pass this, which won't be probably today, it'd probably be tomorrow or next week, I'll pass this, and then I'll be at 200,000. So it starts small, man. You got it like $50. You can start trading this, and then so yeah, it's just like that. Be a baby deer in that bitch. Yeah, I get it. That's why you come join the stream, bro. I definitely wouldn't trade what I trade. Like, if you trade what I trade as a beginner, you're gonna get eaten alive. You will be a deer in headlights. But if you trade something like gold or the US dollar, bro, you would be solid. I'm telling you, they don't move as much, and then you can slowly, like, or just, you can start doing with like small lots, man. Like, you can make like, let's say $20, $50 a day, right? That's very possible. Trading in itself is actually very easy. Like, learning how to trade is hard, or learning how to trade is kind of easy per se. Like, looking at the chart, understanding the chart, like, you just have to watch it a little bit. But what's really hard is your psychology. Like, you'll find out that it actually teaches more about yourself and who you are as a person inside, more than like watching the charts. Like, it's really all mental. It's actually, I would say it's honestly 90% mental is this trading game. The other 10% is technical analysis, like support, resistance, things like that. I mean, it's honestly super simple. It's just a mentality you have to get into to trade. So we'll see here. Oh, that's why we had those two candles. We had just opened that 5 o'clock or that 8 o'clock candle. So, this is the hourly chart. So it looks like we are going to be expecting that push down now. So I'll keep it here on the 5-minute chart. Maybe if we get another push up before we break these lows, I might take a small short. If not, it'll just ride down without me. No big deal. If not, no big deal. Glad you joined, though, man. It's been a lonely stream this week. I think I've maybe had one viewer this whole week, so appreciate it. Appreciate it. It's nice to feel like I'm talking to somebody other than myself. But does the stream look like decent? Like, does it look at least okay? Like, where you could come in and you could see where I'm up, you could see the charts and stuff. At least kind of get a concept. So, all right, I'll see you, bro. I'll see you, bro. So, let's see here. So we did break that low. We're going to wait now because everybody is tilting to the short side, as you can see. So here we are. So we just gotta keep our emotions in check. We can't be wanting to get right back in the market. I'll be right back, fellas. I'll be right back. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so what we're taking a look at right now, we got another 20 minutes till we come back. Okay, cool. Cool. You're cool. Cool. Hey, just let me know though. Does the stream look like okay, like if you came to the stream, could you see where like the accounts and everything? I just want to make sure it looks it's weird, man, because anytime I know you could set your stuff on OBS, but anytime because I'm web capturing. Okay, cool, cool, cool. It looks okay. I also did like a vertical OBS, so I have like a vertical one on the side as well that I record just so I can I guess post it on TikTok and stuff. So I've been trying to get my editor on, bro. I have zero experience with all that, but with AI nowadays, I'm sure there's something out there I could use. So you don't know what you're looking at. Okay, so on the left is where you see all those like yellow boxes. That's my trading view chart. Basically, that's the chart that I look at to actually find moves, just because it looks really clean. The screen to my right, the black one, they're both black, I guess. The other one with all the numbers moving, that's where I'm actually trading on. Like that's my broker. I trade on that one. I just basically put buy or sell on the one to the right. So at the bottom of the screen, you'll see that I have a 50K combine. You'll see my live P&L. That's for the day. So when I'm up, you'll see that number go up and down. So I just try to make it really simple. I know I could simplify it a little bit more, but I want to make sure people get a whole picture. So, yeah, so I'm taking a look at a couple things. Really just got to wait till market open another 15 minutes unless yeah, so not too much, man, not too much. So we'll see. We'll see. Really should start having like some daily topics or something to talk about on the stream. That feels like sometimes I don't know what to say. So I assume you're not an Andrew Tate lover, man. I assume. Honestly, we might get that move up we're talking about today. We'll see. It's still kind of deciding where it wants to go. We did have a small pullback, but it looks like that was just to have a fake out to the sell side. And now we're going to be using this momentum to kind of push our way up. So let's see. Honestly, I mean, I don't know. I think we got to wait till the next candle. I don't feel comfortable with where it's at. Man, let's see what the other commodities are doing. So we got gold here. Dang, gold has shot up today. Gold is looking great here. The dollar, we're a little bit tanking here. They're correlated, so they're both gonna go the opposite directions most of the time. And then oil, oil is looking like it's gonna go up. We might get some high prices here in the next couple days. US 30, Nas. It all looks bearish to me, but I feel like it's just a fake out, honestly. I really do feel like it's a fake out. I don't know. It's a weird day in the markets. It's the day before NFP, and the markets are looking a little bit consolidated. So once that 8:30 candle, once we get here in about 15 minutes, that next candle, then we'll have an all-out war. You'll see these candles move like no other. So that's what I'm waiting on. Um, Hopefully, like the hoodie, the little Colorado hoodie. Been out there 2 times now. Love it out there. Hold on. So let's see. Okay, so yeah, we're super choppy right now. Super choppy. So, not gonna get into any trades right now. It's really honestly moving super slow. This is crazy. Um, yeah, I just don't see an opportunity here to take a trade. There's really no clear sense of direction. There's no volume. There's nothing right now. So we're kind of in no man's land. So we're just going to sit on our hands and just kind of wait. Um,
Step, I'm in the office.
okay, so yeah, super choppy. Sometimes it's trading should be really boring, honestly. So you honestly you're sitting on your hands most of the time. Like okay, let's see where we if we hold these levels. Yeah. So if we break these lows here, then it's looking like we can keep moving forward, or it could be that buyer push that I was talking about. Um, there goes my camera. Okay, so we could push up. Honestly, I don't know, man. It's so indecisive right now. So we got another 10 minutes. It's so indecisive. I really feel like it sucks, man. I guess when I feel like this, I should know not to take a trade. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, when you're unsure, when there's when there's an unclear bias, and you're kind of struggling like I am right now, it looks like it could go up. It looks like it can go down because where it's at. Probably best to stay out the market. Honestly, my inclination really wants to take a long. Like I actually would have lost in this position. I feel like I actually would have wanted to take a long. So, I actually that's my inclination. So there's no reason to enter prematurely. We do have another 9 minutes until the candle opens. So, but yeah, my inclination just wants to take a long. Man, I didn't go to the gym today, and I'm actually tired because I did not go to the gym. So it's kind of a little messed up. So, so yeah. Here we are moving a little bit short. See what happens here. It's going to be interesting. So yeah, I would have taken a loss on this position if I would have taken it. I was feeling longs, honestly. But we do have multiple wicks at rejection at that 350 level. So never really pushed above that, but we'll see. It's tough. It is tough to see where this is going to go right now. So we are pushing down now. Again, this is before market open. So if it gets down too low, I might actually take one of the buys. So yeah, we've broken those lows now. There that we've gone there on that wick. Should expect a small push up. If not, we'll head all the way down to that 305 level. Looks like there's a little clean range there. Right here coming in. We take a look at the 1 minute chart here. Clean range to move down here. So we'll see what it does. So we're pushing down right now. There's still more room to move to the bottom. Look at that. The buyers are coming in to let the shorts know, hey, you're not going to make money that easily, right? So that's what they're saying. Now, that could have been a little short trap, right? Like, that's what I was saying. That's why I've been so bullish lately. That's why I've been so bullish lately. So people are probably tilting to one side now. They're realizing, hey, these shorts are not going to pan out. I don't know. I just, like I said, I've been feeling the short or the longs, man. I just been feeling like I got to take a buy. So see what the next couple candles do. If we do get a push down, I might take a buy, like, or we might miss this because I'm telling you, dang, there it goes. Let's see. Let's get a. take one buy here. Take one buy. If anything, we'll take a small $100 loss here. Which is looking like what it's looking like, so. So, could have taken a better position, honestly. Just a little bit lower here. I could have taken a better position. But it's okay. Like I said, sometimes these things happen. So, you got to deal with it. It's part of the plan. So, we're stopped out there for $140. No big deal. We're still up $1,200 for the day. So now we're kind of going down a little bit lower. We got to wait for this candle to close. So now we're just going to wait till the market opens here. Looks like we're getting that push down. So let's see. Here we go. We got about 1 minute left. Let's see. Everybody's taking some buys here. Let's see. So we're going to wait and see what happens here. We could also see a push down, though. That's the thing. So. Yep. Let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm going to take my position there. Now we're back to break even. That was a wild candle there. Holy crap. That was... So we're indecisive right now. This candle's flip-flopping back and forth. People don't know where it wants to go. I didn't know how high it was going to go. That was just one of those trades where you kind of are taking a look to take a buy because it is at that resistance. But we do feel... I mean, now... I definitely 100% think it's going to go lower. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely going to go lower now, just with how the chart was trading. but we'll see. We don't know where, how low it's going to go is the thing. So kind of just have to be patient. Honestly, I don't really like the setups for this market open right now. I just really don't like the setup. Um, See, we can take a look here. This is a 15-minute chart here on my trading view. So we do have some resistance there. And then we have another one down here. So this is interesting, by the way. Yeah. I mean, this is very interesting. We're Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, that was gonna be. Oh, that was that long that I was looking for. I was right on that buy button. But I was just waiting for another push down. So I would have exited right there because we're still flip flopping. So that trade opportunity is missed. This is interesting. This is kind of where you need to get in and get out really quick. We do have a lot of orders in right now, but let's see a nice strong push down to where it looks like a sell, and then I'll take a buy. Man, this is crazy. I'm not seeing the good entries that I want. Now, boom, that was another trade that I missed. Yeah. That's tough. That's tough. I just didn't see what I wanted, so it's going to keep moving up here. So right now, yeah, we can see us. Yeah, we're going to get another push up. So we made another $100 there. Yeah, now that candle's starting to. A quick $100 was made there. Yeah, this is it, bro. What I said this morning. Oh, we needed that push up to get a push down. So now where people are thinking it's a long, the shorts are gonna take them out. Yeah, we're gonna just. I'm just gonna take it out. That was yeah. I'm just gonna take that one out. No big deal. If it flips on me, no big deal. Yeah. Um. So honestly, the market is doing its thing. I'm not feeling too confident with any of the trades that are coming through. Oh man, so I'm really not confident. So yeah, the market is faking out a lot of people right now. It's chopping them up to bits and pieces, putting them through the cheese grater. It's not a good environment to be in right now. The mental aspect, this is where I'm telling you psychology comes into play. How long can you stay into a trade that you feel and believe that it's going to go into the direction that you had analyzed? Very hard right now. It did look like we got that push up to my 200 EMA that and now we are tanking. I just didn't want to see that. I just couldn't see where it comes in because what it can do is come up and wick you at your stop and then move into that direction. So there's a lot of manipulation coming into play. We're seeing those shorts coming back, but ultimately, I think I'm gonna call it a day here at 8:38. I don't really like to trade more than an hour or two max. Anytime I trade more than that, I find myself just giving money back to the markets. Because a lot of times what I'll see in the morning is a lot of A and B setups that I like to take. Now, while this is happening, there's a lot of C and D setups, like setups that you don't have the best risk to reward. You're kind of relying on volatility to get you to where you need to be. But ultimately, there's a lot of tilt to each side. And I really don't want to be caught on the bad side. I'm up $1,500 for the first day of February. I want to keep it positive and just end the day on a good note. So with that being said, I'm going to be out for the day. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit of something. The markets were a little bit choppy today, so I apologize for the stream being a little bit boring. But sometimes that happens in trading. Not every day is a good trading opportunity. You have to recognize what your edge is. If you have a good risk to reward ratio, if you have good setups that you could take. Personally, I just don't like this market structure right now. So instead of trying to take a couple ticks, a couple $100 like I was doing, I'm just going to call it a day, shut it down, and move on to the next day and come back tomorrow, and hopefully we can make some more profits. Again, tomorrow is NFP. So if you didn't make money today, don't worry. There is a 1,000, I should say 1,000,000%, you could make a lot of money tomorrow on a small size. So be here for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a fun stream. I'm actually going to be here a little bit earlier. NFP starts at 7:30, so I will be at my computer at 7 o'clock, ready to stream, ready to go. So 7 o'clock Central, 8 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Mountain Time, 5 a.m. Pacific Time, wherever you're at. So join me tomorrow, 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. Central. Join me tomorrow, and we'll be here, NFP, show you guys how we trade it, show you guys the volatility, show you guys the madness of what we call NFP. Only one Friday, first Friday of every month, folks. So waited all month for this to happen again. We only get 12 of them a year. 12 good days a year where you can make a buku of money. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. Happy February 1st. V-Day. You know what we got? Yeah, we got V-Day. We got Super Bowl. It's gonna be lit. So I also have I'll be heading to the casino Super Bowl weekend to the Biloxi Casino. So I'll have some footage out there, take some videos, give you guys a little inside vlog of what we're going to do with the trading profits, right? We got to bet a little bit. I might throw it all on black or red. You let me know. But yeah, see you guys later. I'm heading out. This market's choppy. I'll see you guys tomorrow.